Is it chicken that we trying? Yeah. Tim, love the tractor. Not you. Woof woof. Racing all the animals. I can play too. Then wait for the turkey to stand inside. No, you can't push them away. No, they have to stand up. No, they can be laying down. They want to stand up. No, they want to be laying down. But you have to push them out of that. They're on back. Listen, I didn't have to whip it over. What? You have to whip over a tractor. The tractor's here. And Timothy was with them for a kitty and a puppy. But I was there on the animals inside. These animals. Turkey. We're not done setting up. I am. Oh, where did you get that tractor? Okay, Kitty has to go right here. It has to go right here. Don't play with that tractor. So I want to play with it. Slime do. Oh yeah. There you go. I play with these. Oh, a fox has to be up. And here comes a rooster chicken. Oh, I found the chicken. Okay, pick them up here. Mommy. Oh, you're a mama chicken. But this is the baby. This is the mama. So that has to be a mama. Now one has to be a daddy. Hello, baby. Hello, mama. Coo, coo, coo. Liam, I set it up. I see all these animals.
You're knocking me over.
This is it. Oink, 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 oink.
Why do you have the door closed?
Oink, oink.
Oh. What?
What's to play it? Don't play it.
My papa's saying be quiet.
No, this way. See, these supposed to be this way. This way.
Right here. This one can be with.
Listen, what's these?
Right, maybe it can be right here. Why a cow can be driving.
and
it can be right here.
And the sheep will go on that one. And the pig will go on the sheep one.
And the cow will be going crazy.
And I'll play with these tractors.
And the cow will be going crazy.
These are these babies.